Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Emma. Happy birthday to you. Emma! Yes, Mom. We have a surprise for you. Oh, what is it? We have a big surprise for you. Okay. It's a big car. Mom, Dad, thank you. Oh, I really love it. Thank you a lot. Oh, I really love the car. Oh, thank you. Thanks. You're welcome. There is a car. So beautiful. Thanks, Dad. No problem, my daughter. Oh! I also want a car. No, Isabella, you cannot have a car. You are only in preschool. I'm 18 years old. I can have a car, but you are still little. Oh, but I don't like that. Yes, but when you're 18 years old, then you can also have a car. Yes? I'm very jealous. Don't say that. You want to come in? No, I want a car. Isabella, we're going to buy a car when you're 18 years old, yes? But now you're still little. You're in preschool. Cannot have a car right now. That's impossible. Yes? No, I want a car. My sister have a car and me not. Isabella, you cannot drive yet. You're in preschool. I also want a car, and me too. I also want a car. You cannot have a car. You guys cannot have a car. It's too dangerous for you guys. That's illegal and that is impossible. No, no, and no. No and no. Yes? No and no. You cannot have a car until you are 18 years old. Yes? Yes? Oh, we are so upset now. I want to have a car. We want to have a car. Oh, that's so mean of you guys. That's so mean. Stop that right now. Don't be dramatic. You guys are in preschool. In preschool. Just hear yourself. You cannot drive yet. You cannot drive yet, yes? I don't want to hurt your feelings, but you guys are in preschool. You cannot drive, and we cannot give you a car. That's impossible. Yes, Isabel, your dad is saying the truth. You cannot drive yet. Your friends can have a car when you're older, but for now you cannot have it. No, that's illegal. That is impossible. You guys are not